Good morning. This is Poonam Patel from 9th standard. I am taking education from the Holy Divine Children Academy, Pawara, Jaunpur. Today I will represent my project, that is respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx. Larynx is also known as voice box, trachea. Trachea is also known as windpipe, bronchi, bronchilius, lungs, diaphragm, and alveoli. The first topic is that respiration. The process of oxidation of food that release energy in the form of glucose is known as respiration. And second is breathing. This process is known as physical process. The process in which inhale oxygen and give out carbon dioxide from the body is known as breathing. And there are two types of respiration. External respiration and internal respiration. The exchange of gases between the air and the blood is known as external respiration, and the exchange of gases between the lungs and the body cell is known as internal respiration. Breakdown of glucose in a body cell is known as cellular respiration. The function of nasal cavity. First, the function of nasal cavity. The air enters from the nose and then the nasal cavity. It filters the air. Then the pharynx. Pharynx is a throat. It helps us to breathe. Then the larynx. Larynx is also an organ that is responsible for producing voice sound. It is also known as voice box. Then the trachea. Trachea is also known as a windpipe that carry oxygen from to the body and out from the lungs. Then bronchi. Bronchi is two long tubes. Bronchi are two. Bronchi are long tubes that help in inhale and exhale the oxygen. Then bronchilius. Bronchilius are the uh, sorry. Bronchilius are the where the oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange during the process of breathing and breathing out. Lungs protect by the ribs and rib cage. It is protected by the rib and rib cage. Its main function, it allows for breathing. Diaphragm sits below the heart and the lungs. It is dome shaped muscles that is responsible for inhale and exhale. Then the alveoli. Alveoli is a alveoli like a structure like a balloon or a grapes like structure. It's known as alveoli. Thank you so much. I hope you like my presentation.